to my channel, guys. Today I will teach you how you can create your own gold foil brush, plus how you can create an amazing effect with cells. So let's start. First I'm gonna fill my canvas with black color, and then I will teach you how to create these amazing brushes. For this I have taken a spray brush. You can take either hard brush or medium air brush or soft brush. Even you can take spray paint. Also, if you want to create a gold fleck effect like this, so here is the option of flecks. Let me take another color and let me show you what it does. So see, here you can see there are so many flecks, right? So let's just clear it. And now, so I will just click here on 3 dots and then duplicate this brush. I'll rename it, okay, flex and gold leaf. Okay, so I have renamed this brush. Now I have flex and flex gold leaf. I will move into my folder. To move any brush in any group or any folder, I've created my pore art 1 alcohol ink 1 like this. So just hold on, tap and hold on, and then just drag it to the folder, then you will have it. Okay, so I have my flex. Now I'll click on this here in texture. First I'll click on color, then select image. I will select this one because it has a good texture. See, like this, and then click scale with size, so that you don't have to scale every time you increase the brush size, and then click right. Okay, so let's check. Here I will take gray color. Okay, because gray color does not mix with any other color. I'll show you how. Let's just increase the brush size and see the gold flecks. See how beautiful it is. So I will just clear this. Let me show you. I'll take a line. Okay, see, this is with white color, so it will give you a yellowish tone, which we don't want. Okay, now what I want here is the exact gold color, so let me just increase the size range. Okay, it's already 300. Okay, now take gray color and let's check it. Size is already full. See, it is giving me a very beautiful golden effect, right? Now check it with other colors. Like if I take yellow, it will give me a yellowish tone, but the perfect color comes with gray color only. So never forget to select the color gray. Alright, so here I have showed you how you can create your own texture brush. You can use any other brush from spray paint, and then you can add the texture to it. Alright, so now begin our pore art. Okay, so I have this I have made all these brushes with the same technique. Okay, so now I have cells brush. First what I'm gonna do is I'll take gray color. Here I'm choosing a gray color. Okay, see what I'm doing here is simply just drawing these cells. Okay, now I have taken liquefied tool and increased the size. Okay, so work very carefully here. You cannot want to ruin your painting. Okay, okay, I'm really sorry for the background noises. I can't help it. Okay, so here what I'm doing is just liquefying the cells. Okay, so I have liquefied almost the cells, and then I'll just click OK. You can keep them as it is. Okay, again I'm going to my brushes, and then this one. Just to blend the color. Even you can use any other color also. So like this. Okay, if you're happy with it, go with it. If you're not happy with it, then go. You can always change it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna taking cells with the gray color, of course, and just slowly drawing my cells, reduce the size. Okay, so like this. What you can do here is first you can draw your cells all over, and then you can just erase them. What I'm gonna do is here I'll take eraser and the same cells brush, keep the sides high, and just rub it. What you can do is you can keep the opacity low so that your cells will not vanish. Be like this. Always do it very carefully, okay? So yeah. Like this. And increase the opacity.
No time to be scared.
Like this. Because cells are not always, like this prominent. You can even erase some parts from middle also. So I think I have created a beautiful intense piece. Now what I'm going to do here is I just want to add the golden glow effect. For this I'm going to add a new layer, which I've already did, and here see, this is white color. So first whatever I want to do is I have to color my cells gray. Here you can see it's already gray, but when you see it with this layer you will see it like white, but it's not white. Alright, so don't worry. Here I have taken my new layer, and I'm going to brushes. In my pore art, I'll go with this one, or even I can choose Felix one, which we created in To create amazing effect, just flick it over. So you have to fill whole layer with these flecks. See how I am doing it? Beautiful. In my next video, I will teach you how you can create amazing pore art. See, I think I have filled enough legs. Alright, so now just click on this and clip it. Here you go. So here what we see is amazing dual colored tone in our cells. Okay, so it's not completely vanished, it is there. The opacity is too low and it's giving a really good feel. So now let's do another experiment. Keep it be on this layer and just change your brush. I'll change my brush and increase the size and just fill it all over the cells. Here you can see the difference, right? See, this golden color gives you more feel of the gold foil. Also, you can create your any texture you like to fill into the things you create. So here you can see it is amazing. Okay, so that's all for now. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and forgive me for background noises as I don't have a mic right now, but if you support me I might have one. Okay, bye bye.